To your question about the benefits you get with the AI certification, there are several benefits. Obviously, the seal is a demonstrable benefit, which obviously augments the credibility, the brand value also of your website, of your brand, etc. We have the letter of attestation, which can be used with regulators. The trustee seal is recognized. It has a lot of brand recall. It is not only recognized by larger brands, but also recognized by regulators. So that's also a very visible and conspicuous advantage. And then we also do dispute resolution, as I said. So if at all there is a question from a regulator, from a partner, from a user, we can answer it on your behalf. So all those things are key benefits. But even beyond this, I would like to say that we can bifurcate the benefits into two parts: the regulatory benefits and the organizational benefits. So from a regulatory benefits, I think the biggest advantage of getting a responsible AI certification is that that will align you to a lot of existing and upcoming AI regulations. So right now, I've mentioned a few laws that are part of a framework: the EU AI Act, the OECD framework, the NIST risk management framework, and some others. So aligning to these laws, but there are several other laws in the offing. Maybe there's a federal law in the US which is coming. There are 19 different states in the US which are contemplating law. So I think that's one of the biggest regulatory benefit. The second one I would say is demonstrating responsible use of AI and data protection. Again, that goes into the trust and credibility part, but is also from a regulatory part, is that you are demonstrating it to regulators, demonstrating it to your board, demonstrating it to the end user that you care about data protection and you care about responsibly using AI. So that's number two. But for me personally, I also think that um, companies and organizations across the globe, they want to use AI or they are using AI to foster innovation. And this allows you to foster innovation in a way which is compliant to data protection laws. So pairing innovation, data protection, I think that's one of the very it's a key benefit. It's not talked about that much, but I feel it's a very pertinent benefit that you get out of this certification process. Um, from an organizational standpoint, again, there are many multiple benefits. Obviously, you can foster a culture of using AI responsibly across your organization. So as AI technologies grow, it'll be more and more used in organizations, in products and services, in maybe the operations of how the company operates. More and more AI will be used. So this will foster a culture of using it responsibly. Obviously, it'll boost your trust, credibility, mitigate any risk from an AI governance standpoint. And then also, I think from an organizational standpoint, it'll build again a culture of using AI into software development very early in the process. So especially for product companies or companies who are delivering services in different parts of the world, um, creating products for different parts of the world, having that sense of AI when they are developing the software, developing the products, will also be very helpful and go a long way in helping these companies when they with their go-to-market strategy as well. But personally, Kevin, it's not mentioned here, but I would like to tell you and the audience is that I personally feel the biggest advantage of this certification is that I feel it is the most cost-effective way to build an AI governance framework that is available right now. AI, as you know, it's a very new thing. A lot of these, in fact, even bigger organizations do not have like an AI governance framework. With this, we can not only build a governance framework for you, but make sure you're complying with existing and maybe future AI laws, but also give you a seal to demonstrate that. So I think it's a very cost effective and a fast way to build an AI governance framework which can be demonstrated to your users and to regulators.